Hey everybody, here Keith from Plumbs Up, Plumbing and Drains. We're here at Tim Hortons in Orangeville. We're live here on Instagram, obviously. Gracie and I came down to support Camp Day this morning. So here we have Carrie, Sabrina, and Courtney. They're all running Camp Day, so we'll start with Carrie.
Yeah.
So what's Camp Day here at Tim Hortons?
It's a way for us, it's a day for us to send our kids to camp in the summer for like kids that might not be able to afford to go to camps. It's for usually underprivileged children, and it's just extra stuff. We've got a whole bunch of fun prizes, games, a lot to do today.
That's fantastic. Okay, Sabrina?
Awesome. So we have a whole bunch of prizes here to be won. They're really it's good value. They're like baskets are worth at least $50 each. Tickets are $1 for one, $2 for three, and $5 for seven. And all the proceeds go to camp. So come on down and have some fun.
Awesome.
And
Courtney?
possible without our local businesses in Orangeville. Without them, we would not be able to do Camp Day. So thank you, and thank you from all the support from the customers as well.
That's fantastic. Quick question for you, Sabrina, actually. So are all the Tim Hortons doing this across?
Yeah, every single Tim Hortons across Canada.
Okay, that's fantastic. So, Gracie, you wanted something to say? What were we going to say?
So today, Plumbs Up is buying 26 of them, 26 Camp Day bracelets, and one of them is going to me because I want one, and then 25 of them we're going to give them out to people who would like them.
That's fantastic. Good job. Okay, so everyone, thanks again to Sabrina, Courtney, and Carrie. And we hope you have a great day.
Thank you so much.
It's a great cause. Thanks.